Today, we are going to create a project that we've been waiting for. It's a drip art pumpkin. And what we need to do is we're gonna grab a pumpkin and what supplies that we are going to use for this pumpkin project is use washable project paint, and I need to supply with those plastic cups. So, if you are making a drip art a pumpkin, how does it look? You're gonna use paint and you're gonna let it pour onto the top of the pumpkin and watch those colors to see like how it moves down. Alright, so before we begin to do that, first let's take out the project paint out from the box. Alright, let's be careful because we're not gonna let any of the project paint spill. And then what we're gonna use is we're going to put paint onto the plastic cups. Alright, so I have 5 of them, and then we're going to carefully pour paint onto the cup. Let's make sure that we're gonna be careful, and I don't want to pour paint too fast or too much because we don't wanna make a paint mess, don't you? And then what we're gonna do next is we're going to pour enough water onto the paint on the plastic cup. Alright, so just enough, because if I pour too much water on the project paint, the way the painting how it looks, it's gonna drip, actually gonna get faster onto the pumpkin. Next, we're gonna mix by both paint with water by using a single straw each. Okay, so we're just gonna mix it. Mix. Alright, so we're done the project paint. You can see those colors as what I did. And then we're going to drip art by using a pumpkin. Wow, my pumpkin, it looks kinda big. And it feels heavy as I carry it. So now what we're going to do is I'm just gonna carefully pour the paint starting from the top of the pumpkin like this. We do this slowly. Look, see how it drips. Yeah? Okay, we're going to do another color. Yes? Alright. Okay, and then we're going to do even more. Alright. Yep, make sure that we need to be more careful, okay? I'm just gonna like to skip the following video line, and once if the pumpkin has filled with fully colored, well, all the color starts to drip all the way to the bottom of the pumpkin. Alright, can you take a look at my dripped art pumpkin? You see, I carefully put all of these pigments starting from the top of the pumpkin, which is beside the vase, and it runs all the way down up to the bottom of the pumpkin. So you can remember that, because somehow I tried those Project Paint pigments, but it looks a little, stripy, because I just carefully pour the Project Paint all the way down, as it can try to go around the pumpkin, but it doesn't have to be like, all solid colored when a pumpkin is not completely so orange. It's because it's how it's named as an art project called a dripped art pumpkin. Yeah, basically, this can be also your Halloween project. Alright, so if you want to watch this video about how to make a dripped art pumpkin, you can click the link in the description down below. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again soon.